How to talk about current events in English.
Did you hear about the wildfire in Los Angeles?
Yes, I did. It's really devastating.
How did it start?
They say it might have been caused by dry weather and strong winds.
Are wildfires common in Los Angeles?
Unfortunately, yes. Wildfires happen often during the dry season.
When did it start?
I think it started last weekend.
How big is the wildfire?
It has already burned thousands of acres.
Are people being evacuated?
Yes, many people had to leave their homes.
Where are the evacuees staying?
Some are staying in shelters, while others are with friends or family.
What about animals?
Rescue teams are helping animals escape the fire.
Are firefighters working to control the fire?
Yes, hundreds of firefighters are trying to put it out.
It hard to control?
Very hard. The wind makes it spread faster.
Has anyone been hurt?
Yes, but I don't know how many people exactly.
How are they putting out the fire?
They are using water and fire retardant dropped from planes and helicopters.
Is the air quality bad?
Yes, the smoke is making it hard to breathe.
Are schools closed because of the wildfire?
Yes, some schools in the area are closed.
What can people do to stay safe?
They should follow evacuation orders and stay indoors if there's smoke.
How can we help?
We can donate to relief funds or volunteer at shelters.
Do you think the fire will end soon?
I hope so, but it depends on the weather.
What happens if it rains?
Rain can help control the fire, but too much rain might cause mudslides.
Are there other wildfires in California now?
Yes, California often has multiple wildfires at the same time.
Why does California have so many wildfires?
It's because of the dry climate, hot temperatures, and strong winds.
Is climate change making it worse?
Yes, climate change is causing more intense and frequent wildfires.
Are homes being destroyed?
Sadly, yes. Many homes have been burned down.
Can people rebuild after a wildfire?
Yes, but it takes a lot of time and money.
What about insurance?
Some people have wildfire insurance to help cover the costs.
Are the firefighters safe?
They're doing their best to stay safe, but it's a dangerous job.
Do they get help from other states?
Yes, firefighters from other states often come to help.
What about volunteers?
Many volunteers help with food, shelter, and support.
Have any celebrities spoken about the wildfire?
Yes, some celebrities are raising awareness and donating money.
Are firefighters using special equipment?
Yes, they use hoses, planes, and even drones to monitor the fire.
How long does it usually take to control a wildfire?
It can take days, weeks, or even months, depending on the size.
Do you think Los Angeles will recover?
Yes, but it will take a lot of effort and time.
Are there any positive stories from the wildfire?
Yes, there are stories of people helping each other and rescuing animals.
What should people do to prevent wildfires?
They should avoid starting campfires and be careful with cigarettes.
Can planting trees help?
Yes, trees can help reduce the effects of wildfires over time.
Are there any firefighters who are heroes?
All of them are heroes for risking their lives to protect others.
How can kids learn about wildfires?
They can read books or watch educational videos.
Do you think the government is doing enough?
I think they're trying, but more could be done to prevent wildfires.
Will the smoke reach other cities?
It might, depending on the wind direction.
What's the most important thing to remember during a wildfire?
Safety first, listen to the authorities and stay prepared.
Are there maps showing where the wildfire is spreading?
Yes, there are online maps updated in real time.
Are people losing electricity?
Some areas are experiencing power outages for safety reasons.
Why do they cut off the electricity?
To prevent sparks from power lines starting more fires.
Can people return to their homes after the fire?
Only after the area is declared safe.
How do they know when it's safe?
Firefighters and safety teams check for hot spots and damage.
What are hot spots?
Hot spots are small areas where the fire is still burning.
Can smoke cause health problems?
Yes, especially for people with asthma or other lung issues.
Are hospitals helping wildfire victims?
Yes, hospitals are treating people for burns and breathing problems.
How do helicopters help fight the fire?
They drop water or fire retardant on the flames.
What is fire retardant?
It's a chemical that slows down the spread of the fire.
Can wildfires create their own weather?
Yes, large fires can create strong winds and even fire tornadoes.
What's a fire tornado?
It's a spinning column of fire and hot air caused by intense heat.
Are people donating supplies for evacuees?
Yes, many people are donating food, clothes, and blankets.
How do firefighters stay safe in such dangerous conditions?
They wear protective gear and follow strict safety procedures.
What happens to schools near the fire?
They usually close, and students switch to online learning if needed.
Are people worried about their pets?
Yes, many families are rescuing pets and bringing them to shelters.
What should drivers do if they see smoke?
They should slow down and turn on their headlights.
Can wildfires spread to cities?
Yes, if the fire moves fast enough, it can reach urban areas.
How do people know if their area is in danger?
Authorities send alerts through phones, TV, and radio.
Do firefighters live near the fire while working?
Yes, they often set up camps close to the fire zone.
How do they prepare for wildfires?
Firefighters train and create fire breaks to stop the fire from spreading.
What is a fire break?
A fire break is a gap in vegetation to stop the fire.
Can drones help with wildfires?
Yes, drones can monitor the fire and help plan strategies.
Do wildfires destroy forests permanently?
No, some forests can recover over time, but it takes years.
Are scientists studying wildfires?
Yes, they're researching how to prevent and control them better.
Can homes be built to resist wildfires?
Yes, fire-resistant materials and landscaping can help.
What happens to wildlife after a fire?
Many animals move to new areas, but some lose their habitats.
Are there organizations helping the affected people?
Yes, groups like the Red Cross provide aid to families.
Do you think there will be more wildfires next year?
Probably, unless more is done to address the causes.
What should people pack in an emergency kit?
Water, food, important documents, and first aid supplies.
Is there anything you've learned from this wildfire?
Yes, it reminds me how important it is to be prepared and stay informed.